What are those? No, let's look at the front. Look. What's that? Duck. What's a duck? What sound does a duck make?
No.
What sound does a duck make? Does a duck say quack quack? What else is on the front? What's this?
Ball.
Ball. What's this?
Ball.
Say leaf.
Leaf.
What's that? Sheep.
Sheep.
What's a sheep say?
Fish.
Sheep says ba. What's that? Say bear.
Gaga.
Say bear.
Bear.
What's that?
Bear.
No, what's this?
Bear.
What's that?
Sheep.
Shoes. What's this? That's a train. Say train.
Fish.
Say train.
Fish.
What?
Jelly. Is it you?
Kitty? What's a kitty say? What's a kitty say? Does a kitty say meow? What are you doing to the book?
Bye. Baby. 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 Joel.
Are you all done reading? Say all done. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Hannah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.